friends, today I thought quite often I have shown you how I take some of my old paintings and I will use pen and ink on them. And today I thought it might be kind of fun to do the opposite, or so I'm calling it, which is I'm going to play with this pen that I've been sharing with you. It's in white, so that's the opposite, is instead of using black ink, I'm going to try and use this white pen and do some outlining, and let's see what we get with that. I think it could be fun. So let's go ahead and play. I just bought this set last week, and then I actually just recently ordered from, I think it's called Oahu, the thinner pens. This one's a little bit thick, so let's just play and see what we can do here. I painted this the other day, and I kind of used the sky blue. I used my MeiLang paints, by the way, and the color I used was kind of this fun sky blue and some of violet. And I double loaded my brush, and that's how I got that color. And then I also went in and used those beautiful metallics that I use quite often. And I think the one I used, I used the Mirror series. The Mirror series and the MAB holographic series is my favorite. They're kind of similar, but the holographic obviously has a lot more colors in it. So that's quite fun. I'm always playing with those. So let's go ahead and play here. And just maybe do some outlining and some things like that. I did order a larger set of these in the thinner, like I said, point. So those will be fun when they come. I think it includes some different colors, but let's play with this right now. So I haven't even tried this yet, so I'm not sure what I'm going to come up with here. I'm playing with you at the same time. I've only done outlining with ink, black ink. So this is kind of something different for me, but I thought it might be fun. As you know, I love making the edges of my flowers kind of not perfect. Yeah, this is pretty fun, you guys. I kind of like this. I like the white. It's something different than going in with the black. It's quite bright. And what I really loved about these pens too is you could do dots, which I think could be fun. And for me, I just always like finding something kind of interesting and different to play with. And I'm pronouncing this Posca. I'm not sure what the pronunciation is there. And then how about that? Just some little dots. That's fun. I like the dot thing. I think that could be really pretty on a sunflower. Actually, I have a sunflower here. I've got some white dots, but let's play with that. Yeah, these make some really good. Yeah, you guys, I like this. I see this happening in some of my paintings. It's always fun to go back and grab paintings that you've already done and kind of rework them and add things to them. Look how pretty that is. That's kind of fun. Again, I have never used these in my paintings. I've always went with the black ink, so this is something different. And a good way for me to add some detail to my art, because I'm not a detailed person. What I want to do is I also have the black marker, paint marker, So let me just grab that. I don't know if I have this one activated. And I feel like I want to go in and just put a few dots here. Really excited to get the whole set. I ordered it on Amazon yesterday. Ooh, yeah, look at that detail. That's kind of fun. You could almost even mix the two of these, but I don't want to use this marker because it's kind of thick and I think it might be a little overbearing, but I do like the white. So there's that painting. I added a lot of white to this one. Boy, this thing's really shining now, and even some white dots. So I kind of like that. Now I'm just playing. Let's see what this looks like. So most times when I'm doing this, you guys, it's kind of like this could be a fail because I didn't practice this beforehand. When I was in high school, I used to do a lot of paintings. Matter of fact, I won some awards for my pen and inks that I used tiny dots to actually make. Look at that. That's pretty, you guys. I like the dots. Instead of painting in a element or an object, I used dots, and it was really fun. I really got into that in high school. So I like these dots. This is a cool little technique. It almost looks like I glued on little dots. So I'll find my link I used on Amazon. I actually linked it the other day. But look how fun that is. Something different you can play with. I will do a little tutorial on when I receive the other set, but I think this is kind of fun. I've got a lot going on here. I've got metallics, I've got the white lines, but I think it's rather interesting. All right, look at that shine and shimmer too. I want to say this one is probably the mirror series, which you know I use a lot. I love these. That's what it looks like I used here because it's really bright. It's like a mirror. These are a little bit more transparent, the holographic series, but I do love these because they have a lot of different colors in them. So there you guys go. I hope that gives you some ideas, and what a great way to go through some of your paintings and maybe add in you know, some little details. I almost don't want to mess this one up, but I could paint it again, right? There we go. Kind of fun. Anyway, have fun with that, you guys, and I will see you soon. As always, just enjoy, play, discover, and I will see you all soon. Thanks so much for being here with me in my little community. Happy painting, everyone.